second door. Hey guys, so we just made it to Paris and this is the hotel that we're staying at. I'm gonna show you guys a tour of what this looks like. Let me see inside. It also has like the lights kind of similar to the one that London had, but just a little nicer. Inside here you have wood, really nice. You have this mirror right here, and then you have this really nice, this looks like a fridge, and then also like this little section here for like tea or coffee. So after that, what you have here is the bed, and so this is kind of, I guess, a panoramic view of what the room looks like. You go over here, and then there's a really nice view outside. There's a TV here, and the little kind of desk right here, and then outside, this is our view. You see like a clock, and this looks like a square. So going into the bathroom, this is what the bathroom looks like. This is the shower, kind of has that overhead shower head, and then this is what it looks like. So over here where you can hang up like your towels, and then the toilet is on this side. Another possible view of the same area that I showed, and these look like possibly curtains. And then you have this really nice big mirror here with this sink and
21 degrees and sunny, just the way I always wanted. 달바라가 또 없어. 지금 이대로면 좋아. 다스려는 곁에 가득 담은 sand.
okay guys, so I got fish and chips, and Miles got fried steak with chips and a sauce on the side. Then we got the fried calamari over there with some water, and we got a Coke. So hi guys, we just came back from dinner and I forgot to show my outfit beforehand. So the jacket is a jacket that I got from JCPenney, and this was on Black Friday. This is what it looks like. So I got it at like a really good deal. Hope you guys could see it because it's kind of dark. And then the leggings, I got these leggings from Forever 21. I got this underneath turtleneck also from Forever 21. I just wore a simple outfit today. And then the shoes, I got the shoes from Target. So this is my outfit for today. The nice thing about this jacket is it has like this on the inside, this detailing, which I kind of like. But this is what I wore today for dinner. And I left my hair like this. I didn't really do too much with it, and I didn't really put on any makeup either because I already have like the lashes and stuff, which I feel like was fine for tonight. Alright, see you next time. Hey guys, good morning. So this is the first day since we've been back to Paris. I went downstairs for some breakfast, and I'll just show you guys kind of what I got today. I don't know, I don't feel like hungry, but I feel like I should be eating. And I think it's because like for the past few days I kind of messed up my eating schedule by sleeping kind of during the day whenever I had like really bad jet lag, and so now I'm kind of back to a regular schedule, but my appetite's still like kind of wonky, so I'm trying to really bring it back and develop kind of like what I had before, because I want to make sure that I'm eating, I want to make sure that I'm healthy, and that I'm able to kind of sustain myself throughout the day. So it was a buffet style breakfast, which was really nice, and they gave me an option to take the stuff to go, so I'm just going to show you guys what my breakfast looks like. And so for breakfast, I don't know if you guys can see, but I got pancakes here, and then there's some ham bone on the side, or ham, and it's kind of like, it's like freshly cut, which is nice. And then on this side I got some fruit. I got some pineapple, and I got some pamplemousse, and which is grapefruit, and then I got some oranges. And then on this one, you could barely see it, but basically I got eggs and beans and bacon. I got I think this one is chocolat au pain, but I'm not sure because it looked like there were currants in them, but I wasn't sure, and I guess I'll taste them and I'll see. And then this one is just apple, just regular kind of applesauce, which I was feeling for. And then in here I also got grapefruit juice, because I've been really craving grapefruit juice since we've been in Paris. But that's kind of it for my breakfast. I kind of got more than I'll probably eat because I just want to make sure that like throughout the day, even if I'm not eating breakfast, I actually have stuff to snack in between to hold me until lunchtime. Today I'm not going anywhere during the day because I kind of have a busy day. So I do own a small business, and the small business I do is writing, and so I have some chapters to write for my small business, as well as I want to film some more YouTube videos today, and kind of get some work done for some of the projects that I've been working on. And so I'm gonna take today to do that, and then tonight we're gonna go to the Eiffel Tower, which is gonna be really fun. To kind of show you guys what this view looks like during the day, but it's so pretty. And then the sun on this side, where you have like this little tower here. I think this actually might be a train station because you actually hear or you feel the vibration in the night whenever the trains are passing, or not in the nighttime, but kind of like right now I'll feel it. Also forgot to show you guys what my hair looks like. So this here is actually a synthetic unit, and it's from Amazon. I could put the link down in the description below if you were interested in it. But basically I just kind of got this because I wanted to do something different for vacation. I've been doing braids for like the entire year, and I wanted to switch it up but not have to pay so much money for it. So I paid like about $17 for this here. It looked a little better at the beginning of the trip. Now it's kind of like more, as you can see, more frizzy, and before it had like more of like a defined wavy curl pattern. So this is what it looks like. I actually really like this here so far, and I thought to myself, when I go back to America, I'm probably gonna get some products to actually fix it and kind of revive it whenever, because it's a little dry now, but it's because I also didn't buy like any synthetic shampoo or like anything like that, or I didn't really do anything with it. I just kind of threw it on my head and came to Europe. So this is what it looks like. I need to fix here still, but ignore that. And yeah, I really like it. It's really full too. It hasn't really tangled that much, because when I was kind of first doing synthetic wigs, I think something that like I used to see a lot of people say about synthetic wigs is that they tingle a lot, especially at the nape. This one has a little bit of tingle at that area, but it's not bad. Excuse my nails because my nail polish came off. But yeah, this is kind of just what it looks like, and I really like it so far. This might be one of my favorites from like all the synthetics wigs I've had. I've had another one that I like too, but this one is actually pretty solid.
Like, you know, thing holding it up.
반짝이는 저기 Eiffel Tower shines from anywhere 아름다워. When I'm not with you, all these shiny things don't mean a thing.
Barely. What's wrong with me? How was the Eiffel Tower?
Oh, no, that was fun. Yeah, it was nice to see it. It's a lot more complex on the inside than I thought it was going to be. And we got to see the actual lights when they flash on the hour, so that was also kind of cool.
Yeah, it was pretty. We didn't really get to find like the best spot to take pictures, but we still got some nice pictures.
반짝이는 저기 Eiffel Tower shines from anywhere 아름다워. When I'm not with you 아름다워. When I'm not with you, all these shiny things don't mean a thing.
Hey guys, so we just came back from the Eiffel Tower. All the restaurants were closed, so we just did some McDonald's. And it actually took us a while to get the McDonald's because we were looking for a restaurant, but then we realized that all of them were mostly closed, or their kitchen was. So we ended up getting McDonald's. So I just wanted to show you my outfit that I wore today. So as you can see, my hair is a little different. I put my hair in a bun, and then I have these kind of like oblong or shaped earrings. I did like some light makeup, and then let me turn it here. So what I'm wearing is I'm wearing this kind of jacket, trench-coat looking jacket from Macy's, and then I have some shoes from Target that I got, and these are like high heel boots shoes, and so this is what it looked like from the side. You can see my nails are better now. And then when I open the jacket, I don't know why I breathe like that. When I open the jacket, my dress is super short right now because I wrote up, but this is the dress that I have on. I can't remember where I got this dress from, but I'll just try to remember and put it in the description below. So this is what the dress looks like. It's a turtleneck long sleeve dress. Like trying to take it off, but basically it's a long sleeve dress with a turtleneck. It's pretty short, so it's like fairly high above my knee. I also have this bracelet from Michael Kors, and this was a gift that Mel's parents gave me. And then in the back of the dress, you can see my bra, but basically the back of the dress is just like a cutout. If I didn't have like the proper things to wear with it so that you wouldn't see my bra, but I had my jacket on most of the time. So this is what it looks like. This is the back, and this is kind of, yeah, the outfit that I wore for when we went to the Eiffel Tower.
Thank you.
반짝이는 저기 Eiffel Tower shines from anywhere 아름다워. When I'm not with you, all these shiny things don't mean a thing.
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm not doing a video.
눈동자 비친 Avenue des Champs-Élysées 그대와 같이 오라면 지겨. I love you. Oh 그대여 나와의 거리를 걸어요. Paris with you. 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요. Oh 그대여 나와의 거리를 걸어요. Paris with you. 난 그저 그대 곁에 머문다면 좋아요.